sounds of these letters. These sounds will help you in pronouncing different words of English. We will start with letter A. Sound of A is A. A letter sound is A. Now we will pronounce all these words with A sound. Come. Ant, actor, apple, angry. So all these words are starting with letter A and the sound of letter A is A. Let's do once again. Ant, actor, apple, angry. Clear? Now you can see on the screen there is letter B. The sound of B is B. The sound of B is B. Let's pronounce these words using sound B. It's ball, ball, bat, 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 bus, butt, B-U-D, butt. So sound of B is B. Let's move on to C sound. You can see we are now going to do sound of C. C sounds K. C sounds K. Cot. C-O-T. Cot. Cook. Camel. Cat. So all the words are starting with letter C and the sound of C is K. We will pronounce these beginning with the sound K. Cot, cook, camel and cat. D. D letter has sound D. D letter has sound D. Donkey, dog, D-O-G, dog. Dad, D-A-D, dad. Dinner. Here is the letter D. The sound of D is D. So we will pronounce it as dinner. Now, time for sound of letter E. You can see letter E on the screen. E sounds A. There is a slight difference between the sound of A and E. The sound of A is little longer, that is A. But the sound of E is A, little shorter, A. Let's pronounce these words. Egg, egg, escalator, enter, exit, exit. So E is sounding A.
Kids, now we will do an activity together revising all the sounds from letter A to E. On the screen, you can see alphabets from A to E and image of a camel. We will match it with sound K, which is of letter C. Now there is a bus, sound B. We will match it with letter B. Now there is an artist. We will match it with letter A having A sound. Now you can see on the screen a door from where we get exit. So the sound of exit A. So we will match it with the letter E having A sound. Now there is an apple on the screen. The sound of A. We will match it with letter A. Kids, now your home assignment is to revise sounds from letter A to E by reading different words.